Okay, so this question is on probability in artificial intelligence. So let's say a small manufacturing company has rated 75% of its employees as satisfactory and 25% as unsatisfactory, S bar. Now, 80% of the satisfactory workers have previous work experience, which is E, and 15% of the unsatisfactory workers have no work experience. Now, if a person who had previous work experience is hired, find the probability that this person will be an unsatisfactory employee. So basically, you have to find the people that are not satisfactory employees given that they have previous work experience. So basically, it's gonna be probability of S bar given that they have work experience. So first off, you're just gonna like use all these numbers and like make equations. So first of all, probability of S is 75%. So the satisfactory workers are 75%. So probability of S is 0.75. I converted it to like 100%. Okay. So 0.75, and the unsatisfactory workers are 25%. So probability of unsatisfactory workers is 25% or 0.25. Now the probability of satisfied workers that have previous work experience is 80%. So probability of experienced workers that are satisfactory is 0.8, and the workers that have no experience given that they are unsatisfactory is 0.15. So probability of E bar, which is non-experienced workers given that they are not satisfactory, is 0.15. Now you're just gonna like use all these values to find this thing. So probability of S bar given E is that probability of E given S bar times the probability of S bar divided by probability of E. So this is basically like Bayes theorem. If you don't know Bayes theorem, I'm just gonna like put a crash course here. So probability of A given B is probability of B given A times probability of A divided by probability of B. So this is basically Bayes theorem. So you apply this thing here. Now probability of E given S bar. There's no probability of E given S bar here, so you're going to have to like find it out. So the probability of E given S bar is basically 1 minus probability of E bar given S bar. So like this thing 0.15 times probability of S bar by the probability of E. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.15, so 0.85 times the probability of S bar. The probability of S bar is 0.25, so 0.25 divided by probability of E. Now probability of E is basically probability of S bar times the probability of E given S bar, or probability of S times probability of E given S. Now you're just gonna like put the values in 0.85 times 0.25 divided by S bar. So S bar is 0.25 times the E given S bar. So E given S bar isn't here. Okay, so E given S bar is this one, so it's like 0.85. So 0.85 plus, which is R, and times the like probability of S, 0.75 times the E given S, which is 0.8, and this should like equate to 17 thereby 65, which is around 0.2615. So that's how you do it.